Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Austin, and in today's video we are going to take a look at some more Apple news and rumors circling the silicon Apple chip. If you guys watched WWDC a few months ago, you know that Apple announced that they're going to be making their own in-house chips and not relying on Intel anymore. Now for today's video, the resource I am going to be using is macrumors.com. Now I would say literally like 90% of the stuff on this website tends to be true. Today's report comes from Bloomberg and their reporter Mark Gurman. So what he has said in his article is that Apple is actually going to have another event in November. It looks like they're going to be staggering all of these events instead of making one like mega event. So as you guys know, last month in September we had the watch and iPad. This month in October it looks like it's going to be iPhone 12, HomePod, and some other sound related products. And next month in November it looks like it's going to be computer based. And it looks like whatever computer is announced next month is going to likely feature the Apple Silicon chip. Now this is super exciting because this is going to be Apple's first ever consumer ready computer with their own in-house chips. Super excited to see how they run. If you guys did watch WWDC again, they were actually running a 27-inch iMac with their own chip, and it was handling pretty intense programs and everything, so I'm super excited to actually see it like ready and available to buy. In this report here, it says that the Apple Silicon processor will be announced as part of another launch in November. Then it goes on to say rumors have conflicted on whether it will be a new 13-inch MacBook Pro, a new MacBook Air, or a revived 12-inch MacBook. Now, in my own opinion, I don't think it's going to be a 13-inch MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, just because they've been refreshed not that long ago. In my opinion, the best move for Apple would be to have their own silicon chip in a 16-inch MacBook Pro. The last 16-inch actually came out on November 15th, 2019, and I think since that event is rumored for November and the last MacBook Pro 16-inch came out in November, I think it just kind of makes sense. I know they didn't really touch on that in the report, but I think that would be the best move by Apple. But you never know, they could just come out with a new 13-inch MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or that 12-inch that we were just talking about. I don't really know if there's a huge market for a 12-inch. I think a lot of people want maybe like a 14-inch. I know that was rumored a little while ago, so I don't really see like that market wanting a smaller computer. So I am super curious to see which Mac is going to have the first ever Apple Silicon chip. Once again, I am really hoping it is a 16-inch because I do want to buy one personally for the channel. I'm just holding out until that 16-inch Apple Silicon releases, just so I don't, buy the 16-inch right now and then have the Silicon released like a week or two later. But anyways, guys, it looks like Apple is going to possibly have another event in November featuring their newest chip, which I think is going to be awesome. If you guys don't know the reason why already, it's basically because they don't want to wait on Intel to just really innovate their chips all the time. They want to be able to do it in-house whenever they please. And I'm sure that means more money for Apple as well, because they're not going to be paying another company to make this. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. I really hope this rumor is true, just because I do want to get an Apple Silicon based computer. Leave your comments down below of what you guys think and which model you hope that this chip is included in. For now, guys, that is it. I have a lot of videos coming up. I have a few Apple Watch related videos that I want to upload to the channel, and hopefully some iPhone 12 related videos next week if the phone gets released. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.